little more shopping over here. I've got 1980s Dodge Aston RT. Everyone has an exhaust system. It's going to be a real RT. 318 with 273 heads, TTI headers, Edelbrock, 1406 carb on Edelbrock, 2176 dual plain aluminum intake automatic, factory air removed by previous owner, tilt column, whole bunch of stuff, whole thing repainted in 2000, asking 10 grand. Jeez, I don't know, you know, again, you gotta be really hot for the car. Bodywork is decent. What do you think, folks? 10 grand. It's alright on the bodywork. It's got its waves. I don't know. Not my taste. Let's continue on. Let's check out the 70 Challenger project car. Very, very interesting. Okay. This claims to be one of 949 built base model with a 383 Magnum, original engine transmission, solid North Carolina car oil, original panels except hood, needs the lower right rear quarter, trunk floors, trunk extensions, real houses, real nice. Needed blast from firewall forward, rally hood has been dipped, knee coated. Have a data tag, original owner history, some paperwork. This has been punched 30 over with TRW pistons. Runs well. Okay.
It's a big block.
Yeah. 383.
Oh, it's a 383?
Yeah. 383 okay. Magnum. So it's got something there. Oh.
Yeah, something there.
How you doing?
Good.
It's a solid car. I like the rockers. They have been done, I think. Nope. Interesting. We got some rot coming up on the rear quarters over there. Yep, right on through. The interior is there. I like this without the vinyl top. And the other guys were pointing out the vinyl top because it's got the holes. You can see the way how, again, these are made. Trunk floors have been replaced. Or solid. They actually look like their original solid floors. That says a lot right there. Oh, remember I was talking about with that crossbar for the shocks? You can see the tips of it right there and there.
Yeah, see, these are the right tips here. The double.
So, we have rot there. Interesting car. Interesting. Now, how much would you pay? That's the question. How much would you pay? Did you get that number in your mind? Are you ready? They are asking 22. Offers considered. 22,000, folks, not 100. 22,000. Put your comments here. Check this one out. This is interesting. This is a 71 Challenger RT. Gorgeous shaker hood, the whole bit. I mean, this is cool. I always love the plum crazy. But, yeah, 344 barrel. Interesting. Interesting. Is that wild? But this thing is one of 39 and 96 shaker equipped 71 340s RTs built. Missing AM radio, left rear shock missing for some reason. They always went out. Did not do the car. I finished up some work on it. I'm selling it for the family. There's a crossbar where the shocks meet. It's welded, spot welded onto the frame in the very, very back, goes side to side, and they were notorious for snapping off. I wonder if that's why it's missing. Let's check this out. This is very good body work, nice restoration, some great detail in there. I like it. And look at that, they're using original radiator hoses, they're using original clamps. Pretty cool. I like when they really do a good job into the details. The top might be original. Automatic. Looks very good. You see all the lines and everything are excellent. The quarters, you really get it, and right here is another spot. This is done well. I like this. I like this car a lot. Now, if there's a big motor, you go for a lot more, but this is what's intriguing. With the 340, you can actually drive her around town. She's very, very streetable. It's not going to kill you on gas. She'll still have some good giddy up. It's got the 4-barrel, and that 318 was no slug. It's a decent car. You can see the meeting over there. Interesting. This is cool. This is really cool. Fascinating. Definitely a different Challenger RT. And what are they asking on this? Let's see. Fresh throughout. Yep. Oh, the engine's a 340, not the original. Has a 416 short block, correct heads, intaking carb. That's why it looks good. Rear is a 355 short grip, 8 3/4. It's been done to a pretty high standard. Yeah, I agree with that. Being offered at $79,500. You know, if it was the original 318, I would say yeah, I would really consider this because it has been done nicely, very nicely. But I'm not sure without the original 318. Again, it's fascinating. Excuse me, the 340. It's not the original. It's not the original 340. Cool. What do you think, folks?